is my fortune, and vain my repining. The strong rope of fate for this young neck is twining. My strength is departed, my cheeks sunk and sallow, while I languish in chains in the gale of Clonmala. Clonmala, Clonmala, I languish in chains in the jail of Clonmala. No boy in the village was ever yet milder. I'd play with a child and my sport would be wilder. I'd dance without tiring from morning till evening, and the goal ball I'd strike to the lightning of heaven. Clonmala, Clonmala, I languish in chains in the jail of Clonmala. My bed foot decaying, my hurlbat is lying. Through the boys of the village, my goal ball is flying. My horse among the neighbors neglected may follow, while I pine in my chains in the jail of Clonmala. Next Sunday the patron at home will be keeping, and the young active hurlers the field will be sweeping. With the dance of fair maidens the evening they'll hallow, while this heart once so gay shall be cold in Clonmala. Clonmala, Clonmala, this heart shall lie cold in the jail of Clonmala. Clonmala, Clonmala, this heart shall lie cold in the jail of Clonmala.